Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Firstly, thank you so much for all your love and support. And now moving on to the video. Today we are going to be making this super indulgent 5 ingredient eggless choco truffle cake. Yes, you heard it right. It takes only 5 ingredients to make this entire cake. This is a bakery style choco truffle cake as well as beginners friendly. So without wasting more time, let's jump right into the recipe. For the cake, here I have taken 2 packets of Oreo cookies. Using your hands, break them into small pieces and put it in a grinder. Close the lid and grind them into a smooth mixture. The texture of the cookie mixture must be like this. Now we'll transfer this mixture into a bowl. Then we'll add 1 cup of milk a little by little. I have put half of the milk. Now we'll mix it very well. Now we'll add the remaining milk, leaving 1 tablespoon for using it later. Again mix it very well, ensuring there are no lumps in it. Here I am adding 1 packet of ENO. Here I am adding that remaining 1 tablespoon of milk over the ENO so that the ENO gets activated. Basically, this is the replacement of baking powder and baking soda in this cake. Now we'll give everything a good and final mix. Transfer this cake batter into a cake mold lined with the parchment paper. Tap the mold twice or thrice so that any extra air gets released. Now bake this in a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius for about 22 to 25 minutes. For the chocolate ganache, here I have taken 300 grams of melted dark chocolate and adding 150 ml of warm fresh cream. Now using a spatula, mix both the chocolate and cream very well. After a couple of minutes, you will get a silky and smooth ganache which is ready to be put into a refrigerator for about 15 to 20 minutes to set a bit. On the other side, our cake is also nicely baked and I have cut and divided it into 2 layers. For frosting the cake, take the first layer of the cake and put some ganache over it. Now using my offset spatula, I'll spread a layer of chocolate ganache evenly. After doing so, now we'll place the second layer of our cake facing the top downwards. Again put some chocolate ganache and again start covering the entire cake using an offset spatula. If you don't have an offset spatula, you can even use your regular silicone spatula. After covering the second layer of the cake, we'll smooth out the top a little with the spatula. Now take some ganache and cover the sides of the cake too, like I'm doing. You are supposed to move your spatula back and forth for covering the sides of the cake. For the clean cake edges, move the extra ganache inwards carefully with the gentle hands. Now take spatula in one of the hand and place it on the cake and rotate the turning table with the other and start making this gorgeous design on the top of your cake like so. Fill your piping bag with the remaining ganache and make some beautiful florets. Now top it off with the sprinkles of your choice. And with that, our 5 ingredient eggless choco truffle cake is ready. Hope you enjoyed watching the video. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel.